Anybody can use the brand new funnel system that was released less than 2 weeks ago. With the funnel system, I think I've signed up 39 people already. It's earned me an additional $800 cash. Besides the cash, the 20 to 32 bucks per person that I sign up just in the Save Club. And with the funnel system, I just think it explains Save Club a little better because the video, instead of 6 minutes, like the one that we have now, and we're going to get a whole bunch of different videos that we can use to promote Save Club with. But for people that don't want to do a video like this, what you're watching, or maybe create just a video of graphs, GIFs, charts, or maybe walking around a park just filming and maybe narrating, or maybe paying, I don't know, go to that, what's it called, Fiverr, where for $5 you can get the ball rolling. But obviously maybe 10, 20, 30 bucks, maybe 50, you can make some videos. But we have videos already. So if you join my group, we already have pictures, GIFs, the animated things. I guess you know what those are. And then video. And you can use any of our videos. And some are long and some are short. Just like us fellas. Some are a little longer and shorter than others, right? I wear pink hats. So, girlfriend, let me tell you. Looks like I probably wear high heels underneath this webcam, right? But I'm wearing my pink mama hat. That means I want to kick ass. And if you join my group, I want you to kick some buns. There's no reason why you can't do Save Club. A lot of people are going to save money by just joining as a member. And if you're an affiliate for only 60 bucks, let's have some fun and start inviting people to join. No one knows about this. The official kickoff isn't for another day and a half. Today is May 30th of 2025. June 1st of 2025 is the official ready, set, let's haul ass. So you want to join a company that's already signed up thousands and thousands of people. This is a worldwide endeavor, 24 hours a day. The income's there, and it's affordable, and it's kind of fun. So I need you to just think about things, do your research, and if you join my team, I want you to join a couple Facebook groups. They're powerful. You're going to meet some nice people. We have invite-only webinars and Zooms, and we're going to do everything we can to help you with content. Because I know the desire's there. I know you got a webcam or a cell phone and the desire to do this. You're going to make time, and when you start making money, it's kind of fun. Instead of watching videos or playing games, it's kind of fun to screw off and make money. I've been addicted to doing this type of video and business for 2 years now. But I want you to join my team, okay? I'm just going to show you 2 links, and I want you to go to both. One of them is the new funnel system for 25 bucks. The other one goes right where you can join Save Club. They're both extremely easy to follow because after you click each one, there's just videos to watch. I Love Save Club is the original video that you're going to watch. It's 6 minutes with our CEO, our founder. His name's Charles. The Save Club funnels, I call him Money Making Melvin, MMM, because he chats for about 20 minutes about the opportunity. It's a little slower process for people wanting just a little more information about Save Club. They both get the job done. They both kick butt. They both make me a real good living already the first 30 days. I think day's 34. I think I'm on my 34th day of doing this. 4,000 plus cash has been in my pocket. I've saved 950 bucks just on the membership side. And the funnel system has brought me $800 already. That is recurring. So the more people that use the funnel system, I get $20 per funnel per month. So I think I can get 300, 400, 500 people using the funnel system. Times that by 20 bucks. You can do the same. I don't do anything spectacular other than wear pink mama shirts, pink hats, and I love to be a smarty pants. But let's have some fun. Look at both those links right there, okay, folks? I'm done. There's nothing left for me to do except say goodbye and maybe raise my glass and do a little cheers with you. Here, I'll put the logo. It looks like, I think that's Yeti. It's 2 little mountains, or it's a lady laying topless on her back on the beach. Or those Egyptian, maybe it's a mountain. I don't even know what this is. I just bought it at Walmart for 10 bucks and I like the color white. They match my pretty teeth. And yes, these are real teeth. I didn't buy them yet. Although one's going crooked. Every time I do a video, I look at my tooth and it freaks me out. Hope there's dental people in the back office because I need to fix my little tooth that's going crooked. All right, guys, have a good weekend. And we'll see you. I got another 2,000 videos I'm going to do with this great club. All right. Have a good one. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Later.